Hey guys, how you guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kamar Reaction. Hi. So today, guys, as the guys can see my background, I'll be reacting to a Britney Spears Circus live performance. I was also in a conversation with someone about Britney Spears, a very someone who I met on Instagram who's a very big fan of Britney Spears, and they sent me this video to do a reaction to Britney Spears Circus, and I was like, you know what, let me go look up one, and I believe this is a live performance from her Good Morning America performance. So I do like that song. Is it from the Blackout album? Because I love that album. Womanizer, oh, you're a womanizer.
Desperate Housewives. Happy birthday, Britney.
Desperate Housewives.
Happy birthday, Britney.
Yes, the original Lois Lane. Ah, when TV used to be so good, you're so excited. They don't have audience like that no more. No, the Blackout album is a different album. I believe these new kids don't get performance like this. Even if she lip sync or not lip sync or barely move, they don't get performance like, they don't ever give shows no more. They don't entertain people no more. They just go up on stage and never mind Kurt, be positive. Come on, entrance. Never too tired keeping in this world. The one that's entertained and one that deserve. Show type of girl. I want the back seat, gotta be first. I'm like the ringleader, I call the shots. I'm like a firecracker, I make it hot. On the show, come through, buddy. I'm not a lady, babe. Like a circus, like a circus. And what can we do? Like a circus. Two tiger beasts out there. The ones who hang with me and one that is scared. You can't prepare that shit, so beware. I'm like the ringleader, I call the shots. I'm like a firecracker, I'll make it hot on the show. Okay, Britney. Circus. Like a circus. Swallow can tell me, what do you do? Like a circus. Doom.
Let me see what you can do. I'm running this.
Like a circus. Okay, I like a circus. Like a circus. All of them told me, what do you do? I seem much like a circus. Oh, that was a very good hand performance, by the way. That was good. That was a very good hand performance right here. I like this. That was very good. I'm so sorry. That was very good. And so he told me, what do you do? It's like a circus, huh? That was a very good hand performance. So that was beyond. Britney Spears' circus live performance at Good Morning America. I read in the comment section before I watched the video, a lot of people saying that this was her last effort to ever perform in life. After that, she could care less. I guess due to the conservatorship with the dad. I'm assuming. I'm not really sure. But that was Britney Spears. I really do like the song. She is a pop princess. She's a pop legend icon when it comes to pop music. So I'm gonna give her that. Thanks for the person who recommended me to react to this. I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I'll get to it as soon as possible. And to other people who was also coming, make it seem like I have something against Britney. I don't have anything against Britney. I said it over and over. I didn't grow up with Britney. I moved here to America in 2001. I didn't start listening to pop culture music due to Beyonce in 2005, and I started listening to Britney after her meltdown. When her meltdown was happening, I've said it over and over again because I'm getting attacked and getting messages. That was not me. That was not my concern. So I'm sorry. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. And have a nice night. Bye.